Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Adil from Sweetheart 2020 channel, and today we will explain conditional formatting. Conditional formatting mean I will make a format for a cell but with condition. For example, I have a table, have products, quantity, purchases, sales, inventory, products, computers, phones, monitors, cables, keyboards, and inventory limit is 2. Now I want from Excel when the inventory equal to Excel report me it is word, and if inventory greater than 2 Excel tell me it is available, and if inventory is less than 2 Excel report me is not available. So I will write if condition if inventory equal to, please tell me, please give me it is word, and if inventory equal greater than 2, please tell me it is available, and quotation mark, and if inventory is less than 2, please tell me it is not available. Okay, now we see it is 2, tell me word 3507. So I will drag my function, then available because 3 greater than 2, 5 because it is greater than 2, 0 not available because it is less than 2, and 7 available because it is greater than 2. Now we will make conditional formatting. Okay, we will mark this and we conditional formatting and make new rule. So we will format only cells that contain, I will choose here text, and contain I will write word, and format I will choose yellow, then okay. So I will another new rule, format special text I will write available, and format I will choose green. Okay, then I will make condition and I will manage rules, and I will make new rule, and I will equal to, and I will write not available, and format red. Okay, why warn not available, warn available, not available. Okay, I will make revision, manage rules. Okay, edit rules equal to, okay, equal to, oh sorry, it is F6. I will combine it and okay. It is our conditional formatting. Computers 24, inventory 2 warn, 3 available, 5 available, 0 not available, okay, 7 available. So we finish our lesson today, and we will see you later. Please subscribe our channel and leave your comment and make like to our video. Goodbye and see you later.